Hello friends, in this video we'll see some of the ways to fix microphone issue in Zoom application. Let's see how to do this. Now click on join the call or start the new meeting. I'm starting the new meeting. Now click on join with computer audio. Then start speaking. If your microphone starts to turn a bit green, that means that your microphone is actually working fine. If it does not, just click on the arrow just beside the microphone button. Ensure that you have selected the right microphone from this drop-down list. And make sure to select right speaker so can you hear your microphone and even other people also. After you select right speaker and microphone, then click on test speaker. If you are not hearing a ringtone on that, means you have selected a wrong speaker. Then click no. Select another speaker. Do the same process for microphone also. Even after this the issue is not yet resolved, then go to microphone button. Go to audio settings. In the audio settings, make sure again you have selected right speaker and right microphone. Then check the microphone automatically adjusted volume option. Clicked. Even after this, the issue is not yet resolved. Then go to check for microphone settings. Go to start. Search for microphone. Click on microphone privacy settings. Now make sure your microphone is on or off. Then check which Microsoft Store apps can access your microphone. Here you can see Zoom meetings currently in use. These are some of the ways to fix microphone issue in our Zoom application. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.